Rewriting tool in the AIWP Writer. Let me show you how it works. There are 3 rewriting modes. You can choose to rewrite by paragraphs, by sections between headings, or the entire text. I want to highlight the option to rewrite the entire text. Modern AI models use the full context of an article to rewrite it effectively. AI models don't create a new article. They rewrite exactly what you've selected. So it's worth focusing on this mode, but you can also try the others. You can rewrite an entire category, all articles on your site, or specific post types, posts, pages, or if you have products, product descriptions. You could also add the URLs of the pages you want to rewrite here. The plugin will then work on the URLs you've provided. Also, an important point. Articles can be rewritten on your site or taken from other sites to rewrite. Simply take a list of articles from a competitor's site, enter them here, and choose the category where all these articles will be saved. For example, you can take URLs from one competitor category, add them to the affiliate earnings category, then add another list of URLs to a different category, like how to create a site. All these articles will be evenly distributed across the categories you've selected. And one more killer feature, especially for PBN users who need to create PBN sites in bulk for placing links in different languages. In addition to rewriting another site, we can also rewrite it directly into a different language. So you do exactly the same thing. For example, enter the URLs here and choose the language you want to translate them into. If your site is in Spanish and you select Czech here, it takes the text from Spanish and rewrites it directly into Czech. If your site is in English and you select Spanish, it takes the English content and immediately rewrites it into Spanish. That's just insanely cool. It completely removes the language barrier. You can build PBNs or any other websites in any language. Overall, if you take the time to manually adjust the prompts, you can translate text from any language to any other language supported by the neural network. We have many languages connected here, so you can translate to any language and from any language. The possibilities here are endless. You can edit the prompt and check options like don't rewrite titles, meta tags, or descriptions. This is very useful, for example, when rewriting content on your own site. This is when you leave meta tags untouched and only rewrite the text. Then you can check the options here, and the meta tags will remain unchanged while the text gets rewritten. But when you're rewriting content from another site, of course, you need to rewrite the meta tags and shouldn't check these options. You can also add images to these articles. So it won't just be rewritten text, images will be included as well. You can choose to add images, rewrite without images, add them for all headings, or only for H2 headings. Limit the number of images. For example, if you've chosen to add images for all headings but don't need more than 10, just set the limit to 10. No more than 10 images will be added. You decide whether to include a post thumbnail or not. You don't have to publish them immediately. You can save them as drafts, and after reviewing the quality of the rewrite, you can publish them yourself. But you can also publish everything immediately. Select the text generation model and the image generation model if you plan to add images. I also want to point out that thanks to this feature, you can rewrite even long articles from drop sites. And there's often a lot of junk content there. Junk in styles, junk in the code. This feature cleans up articles from junk. You just need to include this in the prompt, and you'll get a clean article without messy code. This is a real killer feature. It actually works really well. That's the rewriting functionality it offers. If you have any questions, contact support.